Venice, darling, mahal, Lovski, ikaw ang pinakamaganda ngayon at sa habang panahon. First, I want to thank and give glory to God for this moment. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes chapter 3, there's a time for everything. A time for love and a time for hate. And I believe this is the time para ipahayag natin ang ating pagmamahalan sa harapan ng maraming tao.
It's gonna take. Close my eyes.
Hindi ka man mayaman sa material ng mga bagay, pero mayaman ka sa pagmamahal at pag-unawa. At ang mahalaga ay, meron kang pangarap na pinagsisikapang matupad. Thank you, love, for loving me more and for accepting my flaws.
Stream down my face with arms wide open.
Mahal kong Jack, my love, today as I stand here before our loved ones and make a lifelong commitment to you, I want to thank you for not giving up. You're a great man for me and I am so proud of you. May 2, 2018, alam ko hindi ka matandain sa dates, but that was the day we became friends. Yun yung first time na nakasama kita, kasamang iba pang youth, at first time kong bumisita sa MLC Villa Isla.
2018, una kitang nakita sa baba ng Miracle Life Church. May youth gathering noon. Akala ko kung sinong elementary student na kulot na nakaupo sa baba. Little did I know, yung tao pala na yon ay ikaw na siyang papakasalan ko ngayon.
Inat kita sa Facebook just to say, Happy birthday, Kuya. Salamat pala sa libre mo kanina. And the conversation goes on. After almost a year of being friends and magkuya, April 2019, that's the time na sinagot na kita para hindi ka na nalulungkot at natutulala, kakaisip kung may pag-asa ka pa sa akin. I remember those times na pinapanalangin ko na pag magkaka-boyfriend ako, Lord, siya na yung papakasalan ko. Naniniwala ako that God made a way to cross our paths and He chose you for me.
Jack and Venice, kayo ay susumpa sa Diyos at sa mga saksing inaasahan tutuparin ninyo habang kayo nabubuhay. One love, one life, one dream forever, till death do us part.
Fast forward, umattend ko sa church and I really admired your beauty. Pinaghalong Julia Barreto and Sasa Dagdag. Pero ikaw ang pinakamaganda kasi ikaw si Venice Avendaño.
I've been looking for
Nung mga panahon kasi na yun, sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, I want a partner na mahal ka. Kaya ikaw na ang bahala kung magiging single forever o bibigyan ng jowa. Binibigay ko muna sa iyo ang puso. Lumipas ang ilang panahon, aba, crush naman na kita. Siguro dahil rebonded ka na. I can't stop thinking about you. At tuwang-tuwa ako sa tuwing inaasar nila tayo. Kahit na ayaw mo. Then, hindi ko namamalaya na mahal na kita.
I've been looking for, I've been searching for, 'cause it's you. The search is over, the search is over.
Congratulations and God bless both of you. Mabuhay po ang bagong kasal.
Together, we will create a life filled with purpose, laughter, happiness, and shared adventures. Today, I give you my hand, my heart, and my unwavering commitment. I look forward to building a future filled with boundless love, faith, joy, and shared dreams.
The search is over.
The Lord owns the relationship. God said, this is the context of marriage. Ang owner po, sabi nga, in flesh, in the spirit, they are His. Yan, nilalang ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae. Una nilalang muna ang lalaki. At nakita ng Diyos na malungkot si lalaki, gumawa siya ng babae. Kaya yung kalungkutan ni Jack, dumating si Eva o si Benice.
The search is over. The search is over.
I am honored to call you my husband, habi ko. Ngayon at sa araw-araw, pipiliin kita. I love you, mahal. Forever and always, Venice.